Working. Well, that's what you're going to be chasing, look. Keep hold of them. Right, so if we're ready, on three, we're going to let them go. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, let them go. Here they come.
From where did you go?
Hey, mister.